Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about BrainPOP. It is this really cool technology that you can use in your classroom, and it also has some great ideas for formative assessment. If you look at this page right here, it is the home page for BrainPOP. So they have a bunch of different subjects right here. These are all of the ones that they have. Every single day they have a free BrainPOP topic, so this is everything that you can do with this free one. It might be a paid for topic on a regular day. Most of them you do have to pay for a subscription. However, most districts purchase a subscription every single year, so your login might come from your administrator. So I will show you guys the social studies things. Most of these, like I said, you have to purchase a subscription. If you are a single teacher and your district does not have a subscription, you can purchase it for about $250 if I remember correctly. All of the information is in my blog below, and you can look at that. So these are a bunch of different units that they have. We're going to go to the free ones because I don't have a subscription. So just for an example, my kids were learning about Marco Polo last week. So if you look here, they have a short introduction. It's only 6.5 minutes. So it keeps it short to the point. It keeps the kids' attention. It's a cartoon, so it's not too advanced for them. Afterwards, they have this really cool thing where you can do a quiz, a review quiz, a graded quiz. You can also go back and they have different opportunities for like a challenge. They can make maps, make a movie on the different topics to kind of assess what they learned about it. If you go down, it does have the movie transcript. That way you know if you can't listen to it or if you want them to follow along or anything. So the cool thing is about teachers, if you click on this lesson ideas, this is below every single unit. It takes you to this BrainPOP Educators page. This is really awesome. It gives you a short little blurb about it, and then it has a bunch of different ideas for lesson planning. So you could do like writing a diary, a who am I, and the cool thing is right here on the left hand side it has all of the academic standards. So you can actually look up where you are. So if you were to put Pennsylvania, and then we're going to do social studies, and then 8th grade, which is what I'm teaching right now. So you hit submit, and it has all of the different topics that you could be covering. And let's say, let me see if I can find one that they're learning about soon. Okay, so I'm just going to pick a random one because right now we're on the Silk Road. So let's just go to James Madison. So of course it's the same thing. It has a video, but if you look back, it has all of the different identify the sources of the rule of law. You can use these three. Outline how different systems of government function. Right here. So it has all of the PA academic standards included with the different topics that you could use in order to fit that specific academic standard. So I think that is about it. I'm going to go back to the home page so that you guys can look at it again really fast. And so, like I said, it's not just for social studies. You can use any of these. However, most of them do need a subscription. So if you have any questions, look at my blog below. It should answer most of them. I think that's about it. Have a good day, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching.